Hey everyone, it's Tyler. So we are here on site going to install the Ubiquiti G6 Turret, but this time in black. So the ceiling in here is black, and I've got 30 other cameras, other G6 turrets and bullets, and they're white. And I didn't want to install a white one in here since the ceiling is black. So they finally were able to get supply of the black cameras. So I'm going to take you along as we install it. The install for this building was done it was finalized back in May. So since then, we have been using the G6 Instant in this room. So that still has the enhanced AI, like face recognition. It's 4K. It's been doing fine. The only issue is I didn't want to mount it. I didn't want to mount it here on the wall because I knew we were going to get a permanent camera up on the ceiling. So occasionally people would come through and they would just move it. Kids being kids. They would move it out of the way. So that wasn't good. So now we're going to do the permanent install. I've already partially unboxed this, but I'll go ahead and show you. So we have the camera. They had a lot more packaging to help secure it. So they had this on the sides to help secure the camera from moving. And then the cable all went through this to help keep it secure. And then the rest of the packaging, we have the base of the camera. So this is what I'm going to mount to the ceiling tile. This is the backing plate for the ceiling tile. We have our template with level. And then down here at the bottom, we have the rubber grommets for weatherproofing, an assortment of screws and anchors, and that way you can mount it however you'd like. So there we go, the ceiling tile's down here. I like to set the ceiling tile how it fits up in the ceiling. So that way I know exactly how it goes back and where I'm going to make my hole. So I'm going to put the camera here, facing this way. So like I mentioned before, this black piece is going to be on the side that's facing outward. And then we have this silver backing plate. That's what's going to sit there. I put the ceiling tile on a trash can to help collect the dust. Like I said before, there's multiple mounting options. You've got the drywall anchors and screws. We don't need those. And then we have these long screws with locking nuts. So we're going to use those. And then here's the tool to finish screwing down the security screw. So I'm going to get a drill bit that is about the same size as the hole on the template here, or on the backer. Yep, so that one will work. Okay, so I'm going to move the board to where I'm drilling down into the trash can. We want it as close to the corner as possible, but also we have the T-bar, and the T-bar sits in, I don't know, an inch. So we got to leave room for that. So I'm going to put this here. We're going to drill through. Flip this over, get any debris out. So we can see our 4 holes there. So now we've got the metal mount, and this has a couple ways to do the cabling. There is this, I don't know what you call it, but you can remove this rubber spacer there so you can run the cable out the side, but we're running the cable straight through. So I'm going to align this with the holes, put those in the holes. Now we can work on our backer. I'm going to tilt this up, put the backer on. Now I'm going to feed these in and screw them in. Okay, there we go. We've got our backer. We've got the front. So now we need to drill a hole in here big enough to fit the tail of the camera in. And I'm going to drill from the black side down, and that way we don't have a bunch of debris poking out this way. And there we go. We've got our hole. So now we have our camera. I'm going to feed the line through, and then there we go. So we got the camera on here, and you can see this little screw in the front. We're going to tighten that down just enough to keep the camera on there for now, and then we'll adjust it in the air. I love this new setup. It's so easy. Okay, so that's tight. It's not going to fall off. Okay, so we have our G6 turret there. I'm going to hit adopt. Okay, it adopted just that quick, and we're going to go ahead and fully update it. Alrighty, looks like the camera's fully updated. So now let's get the protective cover off and aim it to where we need it. And that arrow is to point upward. Okay, so now I can take the cover off. Okay, so that looks pretty decent right there. Okay, there we have it. So just installed that G6 turret in black. Looks amazing. It blends in so well. I appreciate you all checking out my video. I am definitely going to clean up and be done with this for today. So if you want to see more content, please subscribe. Please comment below. Let me know what projects you're working on. Any questions you may have, please let me know, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.